Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be preparing noodles and minced beef. We are going to be preparing it in a stir-fried kind of style. So start by heating up a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, then add jela seeds or chimney seeds, and add in your onions, stir for 1 to 2 minutes, then add in garlic, then add in your minced beef or minced meat. Cook this up until it's no longer red, until it changes color. Kindly subscribe to help me grow, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Don't forget to add in the spices. I used mixed spices that has paprika in it, a little bit of salt and chili. So yeah, you can as well just use salt if it is all that you have, and stir this until the meat is at this point. Then add in your mixture of soy sauce, honey, vinegar, and cornstarch. This is the stir fry kind of style I talked about. So you usually use soy sauce and a little bit of honey. If you don't use honey, then you can use brown sugar and then vinegar. Then once it is all coated, add in noodles and add a little bit of water to provide steam. Then cover and cook the noodles on each side for 1 minute and then flip to the other side. You want the noodles to be soft such that you can coat them in the minced beef. So flip to the other side and cover and cook for a few minutes. Then use water as needed to make sure that you provide steam in these noodles as you cook. So once they are soft, start to coat them with the minced beef, and you are almost ready to go. Your lunch, your dinner, your iftar is almost ready to be served. Yeah, so kindly subscribe to help me grow, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. This is a 20 minutes kind of food, kind of recipe that you can provide for yourself, for your family, and then within no time it is ready. Like you can see, I garnished with spring onions. You can as well use a little bit of coriander, and your lunch is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Kindly check out my other recipes, my other videos, and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Until next time.